Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. It's a little bit windy out here. Hopefully the wind muff is doing what it needs to do. We're going to be talking about this little feature that we have here on the Jeep. So when I got this Jeep, it didn't have a cover, and weirdest thing with these Jeeps is that these two bottom holes here don't have any, like, there's nothing to screw into. So if we swing around to the front here, I'm pretty sure that the front has, nope, even the front doesn't have any, but the front has these little clips, so it keeps it completely on there. Where the back, it just doesn't have any way to, it just doesn't have any way. So not having a way to screw that in, it makes the bottom kind of do this, flop a little bit. And if you're like me and you're really protective of your vehicle or your paint and everything, and you want it to stay nice, then of course you're gonna want to protect that in some way. Now, one of the options that I was thinking is putting these like rubber brackets on. I looked it up, and there is a way that you can actually get little mounts. So basically underneath this frame, there's these two little, they're almost like a hard styrofoam. And basically what those are, they're just little styrofoam blocks, and it kind of keeps it from rattling or hitting the paint. But I was still worried about kind of the corners, especially having the subwoofer in this car. I don't want it to flop or rattle or make any noise, make any dings, scrapes, scratches, anything like that. I've seen other videos and people have had little scratches and stuff, so I don't want any of that. So what I did is I went ahead and went on Amazon and I bought this little thing, and it almost reminds me of like if you look at dog tags and then you get little silencers for dog tags that go around them so they don't jingle and rattle. It's basically that. So it's basically just slides in to this little like sheath kind of thing. It's got like a little carbon fiber underneath. You can't really see it obviously here, but it's got like a carbon fiber kind of look underneath, which I guess is kind of weird because you don't see it. But you see it's pretty decently thick rubber. It's pretty thin around the edges here, so you get a nice, it doesn't cover anything. Adds a little bit of touch though, because it's going to add that little extra black ring around the outside, where some of the other things you're not going to get that kind of look. So it's nice with that. And then you just bolt it right on. So basically with this video, I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know there's a link down below in the top of the description to this exact one. I think it's like $14. I definitely recommend it. It's one of those things where you can't really hurt yourself going to buy it. It's like 14-15 bucks. And worst you're gonna get is a little bit of extra protection. Maybe it doesn't fit your vehicle in the spot, but most of the time it's gonna. If you want that extra protection, it's definitely good. I've had it on here for, I'm not even sure, maybe a week now. And it's been raining, it's been storming, thunderstorms. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can tell on the paint, but it's a bit dirty here. It needs a wash, but basically it hasn't had any rattling. I noticed there was a little bit of rattling before when I had the subwoofer going. But now that I put this on, there hasn't really been any rattling. There's nothing really bothering it, so it's working, it's doing its job. And like I said, so far it's held up nicely. Still feels good and strong. You know, sometimes you get those rubber things and you put them outside for even like a few days like this, and it just doesn't work. I'll definitely do an update video or tell you guys, if you guys asked in the comments down the road, where if it's still good or if it's still holding up and how I'm still liking it as like an update, because I said I've only had it for like a week. But so far it's been good. So if you guys are looking for that, definitely do it. I was a little skeptical because, you know, sometimes you order rubber things online like this and it comes and it's super flimsy. You can almost tear it instantly, where this is just thick enough where it's not, and you can tell that it's a decent quality for the rubber. So it's gonna definitely protect what you're wanting to protect. But like I said, it's just a quick video, guys, just showing you guys that and giving a little quick review of it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you click that like button down below. If you have any questions about it or anything like that, comment, of course, and I'll be sure to respond to those. And of course, subscribe to stay up to future content, including, but not limited to, all these videos of the new Jeep as we continue to mod it and do different things that we want to do to it. And yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Peace.